former Secretary Francisco Duque III ng Department of Health. Inimbitahan sa Kongreso para tanungin kung magkano ang nakurakot sa pagbili ng COVID testing kit.
Yung hospital box, regional box, attached agency box.
Your Honor, Madam Chairperson, at that time, we scrambling for supplies. It would be too simplistic to assume that at the initial stages of the pandemic, there were sufficient
2,000 lang ang halaga ng kit, pero mahirap daw ang supply kaya kinagat ng 8,000 pesos.
Hearing, you mentioned 71 billion and 45.3 of which
Billion pala ang pinag-uusapan dyan. Hindi magkasya sa calculator. Bubo pa naman ako sa math. Kaya si Congressman Fernandez, nalilito na. Nakahalatang nagsisinungaling ang mga resource person.
We are so confused on what to believe in. It's responsibility. A while ago, I was trying to move for these resource speakers to take their oath.
Raise your right hand.
Kailangan daw mag-under oath para pag hindi pa sila nagsasabi ng totoo, ay pwede na silang i-contempt at ikulong.